Today we are going to learn about maths of class 4th. I am Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School. We are going to start exercise 3B. Now in exercise 3B, this first question is given: double the 7 times table to find these products. Now we are going to multiply this number using the doubling method. Okay. So first question is given 4 into 14 and in question is given 7. So we have to use 7 to find the product. Okay. So I will show you one example that how to double the 7 times table to find these products. Now first question is given 4 into 14. Afterwards we will write this answer. Now we have to use this 7. Okay, then multiply by 4. 7 4s it is 28. Now 7 as it is, because in question 7 is given, so 7 we have to use as it is. 7 we will write as it is. And which number we will double? 4. So what is the double of 4? It is 8. Okay, now you can check also that what is the double of 28? It is 56, and 7 8s are also 56. So our answer is 4 14s are 56. This way we have to find how to double the number and find the product. Okay. Now I will show you the second one, B1. Second question is 5 multiply by 14. Okay, so first we will write 7. Can you say 7? So we will write 7 multiply by 5. So 7 5s it is 35. Okay, now 7 as it is we will write. Then what is the double of 5? 10. So 7 10s it is 70. And what is the double of 35? 35. Double of 35 it is also 70. So our answer is also 14 5s or 5 14s are 70. Okay, this way you have to doubling the number and you will find the products. Now third one also same as this, 6 into 14. So again we will take 7 multiply by 6. Now 7 6 are it is 42. Now 7 as it is multiply by, what is the double of 6? 12. Okay, 12. Now 12 7s are 84. And what is the double of 42? 2 plus 2 it is 4, and 4 plus 4 it is 8. So 16 6 14s are 84. Understood? This way you have to find the product. Now one more I will show you, and the last one is your homework. Again we will take 7 multiply by 8. 7 8s it is 56. Now again we will take 7, and what is the double of 8? It is 16. So 16 7s it is 112. Now you check also that 56, what is the double of 56? So 6 plus 6 it is 12, 2 1 carry. Okay, 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11. So 14 8s is also 112. Okay, we are going to start now. Second question, see. Second question is also same as the first question. Double the 9 times table to find this product. Same way you have to write 9's 2 times, means double. 9 2 times and 3. What is the double of 3? 6. Yes. So this way you have to find the second question also. Okay. Now we are going to start a third question. Find the product using the pattern. Now see, You have to see that A, B, C, D, E. In all questions, there is one number is common. Which is common? 101. So, in first question, to find the pattern, we are going to solve. I will show you one example that how to solve this pattern using pattern. Okay. What is the first question? 101 multiplied by 81. So, we are going to first expand this number. 100 plus 1 multiply by 81. Okay. First, what we are going to do? Expand this number. 100. This is 101. So, 100 and 1 and 81 as it is. Now, we have to multiply these two numbers with 81. Okay. So, first, we are going to do 100 multiply by 81 and plus, and in other bracket 1 plus 81. Can you see? 100 multiply by 81 and 1 multiply by 81. Yes. Now, this is very easy to do because whenever zeros are given in multiplication, so you have to write as it is. Zeros of two zeros as it is. And 81 ones are 81. Okay. Now here also whenever we will multiply by 1, so answer is number itself. So it is 81. Now can you see what is the answer? 1 plus 0 1, 8 plus 0 8, 1 as it is. 8181, the same answer. Okay. So which pattern we will find? The numbers are same. If second number is given 101 multiplied by 65, so what is your answer? 6565. Okay. This way you have to find the answer. Now, if C1 is given 38 multiplied by 101, so what is your answer? 3838. Okay. This way you have to find the answer. So, same way you have to find this D and E also. Okay. Now we are going to start a fourth question, multiply in any order. So now what is the multiply in any order? So multiply in any order means here there are three questions are given. Which questions are given? 3 into 2 into 4. So 3 into 2 into 4. So you can multiply in any order. Okay. Now I will show you how to multiply in any order. Because in multiplying, whenever the numbers are same but orders are different, then also answers are same. Now see, we will change here the order of these numbers. So what is the question? 3 into 2 into 4. Now we will change like 2 first, then 4 and then 3. So 2 4s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Or else you can take first 4 in the place, then 3 on the second place and 2 at the end. So here also 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. Okay. Whenever in multiplication numbers are same but the orders of numbers are changed, then also the answers are same. Okay. Now one more I will show you. B1, 2 into 7 into 3. So here also first we are going to take 3, then 7 and then 2. So 3 7s are 21 and 21 2s are 42. 3 7s are 21, 21 2s are 42. Or you can take first 3 then 2, and then 7. In any order you can take these numbers. 3 2s are 6 and 6 7 are 42. Answers are same. Okay.